Hey guys, it's me Amber and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows and I used the Freedom pomade in dark brown. Also, I used this shade out of the Sleek Au Natural eyeshadow palette. And then to carve them out, I used the MUA Pro Base Cover and Conceal Kit in Ivory. To prime my eyes today, I'm going to take the L'Oreal True Match in 1N. I'm just going to put a bit of that on my eyelids and then blending that out with a little sponge. My eyeshadow, I'm going to take the Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar Palette. Taking the Morphe M200 brush, I'm going to take the shade right here, which is called Coconut Cream, and just set the concealer that I just put on my eyes. Then I'm going to take the shade Nugget, which is up here. I'm going to run this through the crease. Now taking the shade here, which is called Mousse, I'm going to put this in my outer corner and blend this inwards with this number 7 brush. Then I'm going to take Pudding and I'm going to deepen it up. Now I've got those shades on, I'm just going to blend the edges out. Now I'm going to take the shade Blueberry Swirl on this flat brush. I'm just going to put it at the front of my lid. Between the dark blue and the brown right in the middle, I'm going to take this shade called Frosting and I'm just going to pack that on. Now taking a small amount of licorice, I'm just going to place this right in the outer corner. And I'm going to blend this out. As this blue is quite a dark blue, I'm going to take this pigment by Colour Couture Bright Pigment, and it's this blue colour. I'm going to take a really small amount of this because these are quite pigmented. And I'm just going to place it on there. I'm going to take the same flat brush. As you can see, I made a mark between where the blue and the other shade is. I'm going to take this NYX pigment, and this is in the shade Diamond. I'm just going to make a line. First, I'm going to take that same MUA concealer kit and just like make the line so that I know where to put it. Now I've just put the pigment over the line, as you can see, and I've done it into a little flick at the end. So now I'm going to take the Soap & Glory Super Cat liner and just do some normal black eyeliner to match up to this. For mascara, I'm taking this Benefit Mini Roller Lash, and I have just curled my lashes as well off camera. I'm also going over my top and bottom lashes with the Max Factor False Lash Effect to give them more volume. For concealer today, I'm going to be trying this Makeup Revolution Ultra Cover and Conceal palette in the shade Light to Medium. I'm going to take this shade right here. Today I'm actually going to bake underneath my eyes with this MUA Ultra Fine Loose Setting Powder. For bronze today, I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Mini Bronzer and I'm going to bronze up my cheeks and my forehead. So now I'm going to brush this bake off and I'm going to blush. Okay, so to blush today I'm taking this Dandelion blush by Benefit and it looks like this. I'm just going to put it on the apples of my cheeks. Going back into the semi-sweet palette, I'm going to take this blue shade and just put this underneath my eye and smoky it out. And I'm also going to take the shade Mousse and apply that here. Before I highlight, I'm just going to spritz my face with this Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Spray. Then I'm going to take the Morphe M501 brush and the NYX Strobe of Genius Illuminating Palette. I'm going to take this shade and mix it with this pinky one. So I'm going to take a bit of this shade and just put it right in my inner corner. Finally for lips, I'm going to take the Benefit Benny tint and just tint my lips red. I just put the tint on, and also I've just realised that I had a scratch right here. So I was looking back in the clips that I've just filmed, and I must have done it at some point doing my makeup, because in one clip I didn't have one and then the next I did. So I'm not actually sure how I did that, but I think it might have been my nail, but I don't know. Now I'm just going to do a final last spritz. So here is how it turned out. I really wanted the focus to be on the eyes, so that is why I did a really natural lip. So yeah. Okay, so if you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave it a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you all on Sunday with a new video. Bye!